Steamit Travel Iron. The lightest and easiest to use steam iron on the market. Ideal for travel. Portable and lightweight. Available in 7 colors. With high standards of technology and high-quality materials, it can be used in any type of fabric from silks, curtains, tablecloths, sofa covers, and more. Designed to be used anywhere in the world, it incorporates an automatic bi-voltage system, which can be used in 110 or 220 volt current. To use Steamit, simply plug it in and pour in some water and salt. A few seconds later, Steamit generates a flow of steam, which will eliminate wrinkles from your clothes, leaving it smooth and immaculate. It also has a nylon brush, which helps to reduce wrinkles in delicate fabrics. Get your Steamit now! Learn more at www.purevapo.pt.